In today's video, we will explore a 15-minute gold scalping strategy using the breakout and retest method. It's crucial to watch the video until the end as we will elucidate several factors that can enhance the profits you stand to gain by employing this strategy. So, don't miss out. This trading method can be employed not only in scalping strategies but also in daily or swing trading strategies. Moreover, it is versatile and can work seamlessly with other assets such as forex, cryptocurrencies, stocks, or futures. Now, let's incorporate the indicators that will be used in this scalping strategy. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type in High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker. Select High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker from Cabanas, Belgique. Next, access the settings for the High and Low Optimized Trend Tracker indicator. For this video, we will change the moving average type to EMA. Click OK to confirm the changes. If the candlesticks break out to the upside and the candle color changes to navy blue, it indicates a bullish trend. Conversely, if the price candlestick breaks out to the downside and the candle color changes to pink, it signals a bearish trend. Now, let's add the next indicator that will serve as a guide for placing buying and selling orders. Go back to the Indicator Search tab and type in Andean Oscillator. Select Andean Oscillator from Alex Grover. Access the Andean Oscillator indicator settings and keep the input settings at their default. Then, go to the Style tab and uncheck the box next to the signal. Click OK to confirm the changes. The Andean Oscillator indicator is user-friendly. If the bullish component crosses above the bearish component or if the bullish component is above the bearish component, it signals a buy entry. Conversely, if the bearish component crosses above the bullish component or if the bearish component is above the bullish component, it signals a sell entry. How to place a buy order? When the Andean Oscillator signals a buy entry, pay attention to the price candlestick. Ensure that the price candlestick has broken out to the upside, meaning the candlestick color has changed to navy blue. If all conditions are met, you can place a buy order after the candlestick is closed. Set the stop loss at the latest swing low. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order? When the Andean Oscillator signals a sell entry, pay attention to the price candlestick. Ensure that the price candlestick has broken out to the downside, meaning the candlestick color has changed to pink. If all conditions are met, you can place a sell order after the candlestick is closed. Set the stop loss at the latest swing high. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.